Good afternoon, Daphne Morris here. I'm a lifelong passionate knitter, never known to be without at least one project on the go on my needles. It's something to do with my hands when I'm watching television, best of all when I'm sitting next to my husband driving. Nothing against his driving though, honestly. This afternoon I want to show you the beret pattern that I have made. This was inspired by my gorgeous goddaughter, who arrived to walk wearing a lovely beret. I have the beret here in a pastel selection of West Yorkshire yarn, West Yorkshire Spinners illustrious yarn, which is beautifully soft. It's great because you can scrunch it into a small corner of your pocket or your handbag and then take it out. This yarn is particularly warm. So we have Jenny, my beautiful goddaughter, in the pastel one. I also have a jewel coloured one modelled there by my other beautiful daughter, my own daughter Claire.